How to make only specific friends can see your post on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only specific friends can see your post on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click view your profile, and here just click these 3 points here and click these 3 points again, and then click change audience and click specific friends. Now all you need to do is just select them, and after you select them just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.